Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little makeup look for you guys, a purple eyeshadow makeup look, as well as a little mini haul from Joe Fresh. So if you would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look and the clothing that I picked up, then just keep watching. Alright, to start, I will show you what I picked up from the superstore. So I got this shirt last week and it's just got this really cute kind of honeycomb print to it, and it's a half zip funnel neck in this really pretty turquoise color. And I also like that it has like this deeper aqua color in it too as well. It matches my really wide leg velour pants that I got last year from HomeSense when they were closing. So it was regularly $34 and it was on sale for $10. So I was like, oh, I have to have this. Like, I'm loving wearing colors more now that my hair is dark. And so I picked that one up last week, and then I knew that I wanted to have it in the other color, which is kind of like this light purpley pink color with a maroon zipper. And to go with that, I found these kind of lounge wear wide leg maroon pants, and they kind of have like a soft feeling to them, but when I was putting my foot in, I kind of snagged them a bit, so they kind of have that material to them as well. They're not really like a sweatpant, but they're really comfy and cute. So I will show you those outfits after, and I'll show you the makeup that I picked up. So I picked up this lipstick by Milani in the color Nude Cream, and they never look like what they do on the bottom. I didn't open it or touch it, I just picked it up. It was on sale. Their makeup area was kind of all over the place, but that's understandable. So where will I swatch it? Maybe I'll just swatch it on the back of my hand, but I'm also going to try it on my lips. So really pretty nude. It's coming up more nude on camera. It's got more of a pink undertone, so I like that. And I also picked up this little Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I really wanted to try out some purple colors. My YouTube friend Jess from HeyJess, I will link her channel below, suggested in the comments one day when I was still blonde that I should try a purple eyeshadow look, and it's been a while. I've been looking for a palette to try it out with, and this looked really pretty, so that is what I'm going to do for you guys today. I'm going to create a purple eyeshadow look. So if you would like to see that, then just keep watching. Tried a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette before. I think the only thing I've really tried from Wet n Wild is their lipsticks. So I just swatched a few of the colors on my hand just to see their pigment and their consistency, and they seem really smooth and beautiful and have a pretty good pigment, so I'm excited to try them out. So I'm going to start out with the more neutral colors first to kind of just create a base. Is that a word? Is that what you do? You create a base? I don't know. So I'm just going in with the nude color and I'm going to go all over the lid. Now I'm going to start with this more of a cool purple transition color, and I'm just going to work a little bit on the edge of my eye and more at my brow bone, and not really going into my crease too much because my eyes are deep set. It really looks messy once I start to go in that crease, so I'm just going to stay above it. And these mattes are pretty smooth for being mattes. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend that through on both sides. Now I'm going to take the warmer transition color on this side. Kind of has a bit of a brownish red undertone to it, and I'm just going to stick to the outer V of my eye. These shadows definitely have a lot of pigment. Just gonna pack that in and lightly drag it out. With my eyes being deep set, I really have to kind of push that color right into the corner there on both sides. Again, I'm just gonna blend this color through and just stay to the outer corner of my eye. Alright, now that I have all of the neutral colors down and I've created the eye shape that I like for my deep set eyes, I'm going to go in with this lightest purple color and just a small e.l.f. dome brush, and I'm just going to start packing that on my lid. And this color kind of has some neutral tones to it. It's not super bright. It's more of like an iridescent purple color. So I'm just going to follow that lid line. I'm not going to go up in here or the crease or anywhere. Just going to keep it looking really clean. And it's raining here right now. It seems like every time my boys have soccer, it rains, but as long as there is no thunder and lightning, they can play, and they actually really don't mind too much playing in the rain. Now I'm going to start going into the darker purple color with an angled brush, and I'm just going to start dragging that along the lash line and to the outer corner. just kind of flicking the brush to create the V, and I'll just kind of drag it out a little bit as well. And the smaller the brush, the more precision it gives you when you're working with the brighter colors. I find you can kind of just control where you want it to go. Sure, it might be a little bit more time consuming, but then you can kind of really direct and place the colors where you want them to go. And it's also helping me get into this crease right here between my brow bone and my lid, so I can just kind of fill in that gap and just drag the color out. Now I'm going to take that same dark purple color and the same angled brush and start going underneath my eyelid. For me, with brighter colors, I like to kind of keep them more to my bottom lid, like lash line, sorry, and the lid of my eye, and keep this really neutral so that it pops, the color pops for me, and it also is more wearable for myself. Not that I don't love, I love bright eye looks, bright colors everywhere. Just for myself, I like to just keep it a little bit toned down. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that lighter color as well and push that into my lower lash line. And now, just to enhance the purple, I'm just going to go in with my finger, and I'm taking the dark color and just going to pat it where I had placed it. Using my finger, I would not be able to get into all of the creases of my eye and create that V, but just packing a little bit more color on, so I'm going to go in with the lighter color now, will just enhance that purple violet tone, because they're more of a foiled eyeshadow with a little bit of kind of creaminess to them, so the brushes don't really pick them up as well. But I just wanted to kind of lay down that foundation first before I went in and packed the color in with my finger. Now I'm going to go in with the lighter of the two darker shades on this purple side. I think next time I will try the pink side and just use those tones to do a similar eye look. So I'm just going to take that with a different angled brush, and I'm just going to stay right at my lash line and just create a shadow liner. And once the foiled color is on, it kind of, with the creaminess to it, it's kind of there. This isn't laying down as pigmented, but I just want to kind of fill in my lash line a bit, and then I can even wing it out a little bit as well at the corner. Now I'm just going to take the same brush that I used for my foundation and just at the corners, just kind of pack it in a little bit just to smooth out any kind of patchiness or imperfection. Alright, I put some mascara on as well as tight lined with black eyeliner in my upper waterline, and now I'm going to go in with the Milani Nude Cream Lipstick, always in search of the perfect nude. This actually smells really good. It kind of smells like candy. It's creamy. I like that it has more of a bright pink undertone to it. You can't see that as much on camera. It's looking a little bit more nude, but that is actually really pretty. It's always nice to have just an array of nudes. Peachy undertones, brown undertones, beige, pink, for whatever look you're going for. I really like the pink undertone with the purple eye. Alright, this is the final look. I love the way it turned out. This feels very day wearable for me, and finally experimented with some color. I know this isn't anything too bright or crazy, but for me it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I really love the way it turned out. Great little palette for, I think it was $5.96. For $6 Canadian. The quality of the eyeshadow is actually really, really awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.